We have to keep peace in the city, and of course a heavy police contingent here as well. You can see in these pictures the police asking the crowd to disperse, and the crowd also moving. But this of course is visuals from the Eastern Metropolitan Bypass. This is of course the Salt Lake Stadium metro station here, and this is the Eastern Bypass, which is on any given day a very busy thoroughfare. And you can see the police now asking people to leave, but as East Bengal Mohun Bagan fans gather. The Durand Cup football match between East Bengal and Mohun Bagan.
আধিকারিকরা এই মুহূর্তে আন্দোলনকারীদের পিছু হটানোর জন্য লাঠিচার্জ শুরু করেছেন। আপনারা দেখতে পাচ্ছেন সরাসরি সেই ছবি আমরা তুলে ধরছি। আন্দোলনকারীদের পিছু হটানোর চেষ্টা।
ওখানে